My name is DiannaBagnall, and I'll be entering the Department of Soil and Crop Sciences as a PhD student in the fall. I have two other degrees from Texas A&M, and I'll talk a little bit about how those took place. I would describe myself as a pretty typical 4-H kid, as a young person interested in animals, but not particularly with any production agriculture background. I pursued a degree or took classes at a local junior college because it was there and it was affordable, and entered an ag program. At that time I also took a job at an agricultural research station and ended up in a soil chemistry lab, which really got me interested in soil science specifically and led to me continuing my degree, my bachelor's degree at Texas A&M here in the Department of Soil and Crop Sciences, where I graduated in 2012. I continued from that point to go ahead and get a master's degree, and then began looking for jobs in my field. And I think looking for jobs was kind of an intimidating thing for me, and I would ask my advisor and other professors, what do people with a soil science degree do? And in reality, I think it would be easier to list the things that we can't do. But that's hard, that's difficult for us to understand as students, and yet I think the strength of the programs that we have in plant and environmental soil science and turfgrass and in plant breeding are that they really give you the basic sciences of physics, chemistry, and biology that you need, and then they build into that knowledge of systems, both managed systems like production agriculture, possibly surface mining and things like that, and also natural systems, which come into play in pretty much everything that we do. So that systems knowledge and that strong science background make you competitive for a lot of jobs, some of which are field jobs. The one I took was very different than that. In many ways you might suspect that it would be something that someone from the business school might get. In fact, my direct supervisor now says that he could easily go over to the business school and hire someone to do project management, which is what I currently do and have for the last 2 years. But the goal of his program is to take master's trained scientists and put them in managerial roles, because they're able to translate from the science that they know and that they can discuss with the scientists who we're working with, and put that in terms of contracts, put it in terms of grants and executive summaries and proposals. So my daily job will include looking at and identifying intellectual property, learning how to protect that intellectual property. It includes post and pre-award grant processes, project management, some accounting, some budgeting, and a lot of things that I wasn't trained for in school per se, but I was given the tools to understand concepts of and have a willingness to learn. So I think that that's probably a type of job that a lot of people don't consider when they're looking to go into soil and crop sciences, or they're looking to go into an ag field in general.